Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be talking about how to treat the dirty neck condition, also known as Acanthosis Nigricans. So this condition is characterized by dark brownish plaque on the skin. It could show up on your neck. Mostly it shows up mostly on the neck, and it could also show up on the armpits, the inner thigh, your knuckles, and some other parts of the body. Let's talk about the causes. What leads to this condition? Why do people have this condition? So the first and the most important cause is that this condition might be medical. It might be as a result of having underlying health issues or just basically a dermatological problem. So whichever, the first thing to do is to make sure you check with your doctor that you're fine and you don't have any underlying health issues. If you notice that your neck is like this, or like this, or even like this, make sure that you check with your doctor first to be sure that it's just a dermatological problem. So the first cause is insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that allows the body to process sugar. So insulin resistance comes about when your pancreas can no longer produce enough insulin for your body to be able to process the sugar that you take in. That is when you start getting resistant to insulin because you're not getting supplied with enough insulin by your body naturally. In some cases, some people have to take external insulin to be able to balance up their insulin level. Another reason why this condition might show up is as a result of hormonal issue. So if you are used to taking pills such as steroids, thyroid medications, and even birth control pills, you might notice that all these things will mess with your hormones and then eventually lead to this condition. In some cases, people suffering from PCOS can also suffer from this condition as well. And the last cause of this condition is heredity. Some people have this condition due to heredity. If you come from a family line that is prone to having this condition, you notice that your dad has it, your granddad has it, your great great granddad has it, or your mom, your grandmom, your aunts, your just people in your family have it. It's very possible that you develop it too eventually. So heredity too plays a very good role in why people have this condition. So now that we know the causes of this condition and we're familiar with this condition, let's talk about how we can treat it or manage this condition. The first thing that you can do is getting the chemical peel, and this is best done by a dermatologist. So it is advisable that you visit your dermatologist because dermatologists are trained to know the right amount of acid and the right amount of chemical to apply on the affected area. Another way to treat this condition is application of products with tretinoin, glycolic acid, lactic acid, and even malic acid, because these acids are very good exfoliants. They would help you to remove the dead top skin layer of your skin and help you to reveal youthful skin. So when it comes to applying topical tretinoin on your skin, it is best to start with the lowest concentration. You introduce the lowest concentration to see how your skin takes it so that your skin does not get further irritated. So there are also some home remedies that you can try out to help you gradually clear this condition off of your skin. And the first home remedy is to apply apple cider vinegar on the affected area. Apple cider vinegar contains malic acid, which is a very good natural exfoliant. This would help you to balance your skin's pH level and also help you to remove the dead skin cells on the affected area. So you just use 4 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar and mix with water, then you apply on the affected area, leave for some minutes, and then you rinse off. And make sure to moisturize thoroughly after the application of this mixture, because this mixture might actually dry out your skin. Another home remedy is the sugar and honey scrub. This is basically the application of the mixture of sugar and honey on the affected area. You just apply it in a circular motion and leave it for about 5-10 minutes, then you wash it off and moisturize very well afterwards. So there are also some other lifestyle changes too that can help you to, maintain, manage, or get rid of this condition. The first lifestyle change is to consume food that are rich in fiber. These fiber rich food are going to help your pancreas to be able to produce more insulin that your body needs. You can do more research on foods that you can eat that are very rich in fiber. Then the next lifestyle change is to replace refined sugar, refined carbohydrates with whole grain food. You can also do your research on what whole grain foods are and what refined carbohydrate. I think that is self-explanatory, but you can do your research on what the whole grain food, the best ones that you can replace with this refined sugar and refined carbohydrates. The next lifestyle change is what we say every time, just drink water and mind your business. We cannot overemphasize the importance of drinking a lot of water. Not too much water, because too much of everything is bad, but enough water. There are some people that would go an entire day without drinking water, and then they are steady drinking soft drinks, but they will just not drink water, which is not too good. So please drink more water, drink more water, drink more water. Take it as a chore, make it a chore, something that you have to do. Just drink more water. Then the last lifestyle change is to manage stress. Some people just, they are used to stress. Some people see going through stress as an achievement in life. They feel like you must always be up and doing, you must always be doing one thing or the other every single time, no time to rest. It's good to be able to know how to manage stress. And by managing stress, you have to incorporate rest, taking rest in your routine. Just learn to rest from time to time, in a nutshell. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you have any questions, kindly drop in the comment section. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and do well to subscribe to this channel if you want to join the family. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay jiggy.